In this video, I will show you how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. So let's jump straight into it. So what you want to do is open up Cash App on your device and you will see a screen that should look similar to this. Now from here, what you're going to want to do first is come down to the bottom right hand corner and click the Bitcoin icon down here. So I just want to note at this point as well, what we're doing, we're not actually verifying Bitcoin. What we're actually going to do is verify our Cash App account so we are able to access more features and deposit and withdraw Bitcoin. To do that, what you're going to want to do once you clicked onto the Bitcoin logo, you're going to get a screen like this, and all you want to do is go ahead and click the blue buy button underneath. Next, it's going to ask you how much Bitcoin you would like to purchase. So you can see you've got some different amounts here like $1, $10 and so on and so forth. So what you want to do next is go ahead and choose the amount and then click the blue next button underneath. Now what's going to happen, it's going to ask you to choose a PIN, which is going to be a backup for your Face ID. So you just want to go ahead and put that into here. And once that's done, it's going to ask you a couple of questions to verify your account. So this could involve things like your full legal name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Some photo documentation may be required at this point, but of course it does vary dependent on which country you're based in. Now, once you've gone ahead and verified your account, you will be able to go ahead and confirm your purchase of Bitcoin. So you'll come to a summary like this, and it's going to give you all the information about your purchase. So things like if there's any fees involved, how much your total Bitcoin purchase is going to be, and the total cost. If you're happy to go ahead and click the blue confirm button underneath, and that is how you go ahead and verify your Bitcoin, or rather verify your identity to purchase, deposit and withdraw Bitcoin using the Cash App. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.